Welcome to Ontario, a province defined by breathtaking wilderness and world-class adventure. Prepare to explore the great Canadian outdoors like never before. From the thunderous roar of Niagara Falls to the tranquil silence of the vast northern lakes, Ontario is your canvas for adventure. This is your guide to the most epic outdoor destinations and essential boating locations across the province. Get ready to discover the magic that awaits just beyond the city limits. This is Ontario Adventures. We begin at one of the world's most spectacular natural wonders, Niagara Falls. Witness the falls at golden hour, where the mist catches the light, creating brilliant, ephemeral rainbows. Feel the immense power of 168,000 cubic meters of water rushing over the brink every single minute. Next, we escape to the tranquility of Ontario's countless lakes, where mornings feel truly untouched. The sunrise kisses the calm water, offering a peaceful start to any day of fishing, paddling, or adventure. And for those heading out on the water, accessing these pristine lakes is easy thanks to well-maintained public boat launches. To find the perfect access point for your vessel, check out our comprehensive guide to Ontario's boat lanes. Shift gears to the sophisticated charm of Niagara-on-the-Lake's renowned wine country. Rolling vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see, producing some of Canada's finest wines. Enjoy guided tours and tastings, savoring the rich flavors cultivated by the region's unique microclimate. Travel north to the Bruce Peninsula, home to waters so clear you'll feel transported to the Caribbean. The stunning turquoise depths reveal ancient shipwrecks and dramatic underwater topography, perfect for diving and snorkeling. Hike the famous Bruce Trail along rugged cliffs, where every turn offers an unparalleled vista. As summer fades, Algonquin Park explodes into a masterpiece of autumn color. It's a mesmerizing spectacle as the maple, oak, and birch trees paint the landscape in fiery hues. Paddle silently across the mirrored lakes, experiencing the profound peace of the Canadian wilderness during its most beautiful season. Ontario offers year-round adventure for every explorer. From the thunder of the falls to the quiet of the forest, your next great escape is here. Start planning your epic Ontario adventure today. The wilderness awaits.